Hello, hello, hello. Hi, welcome back to Dining with Dessica. On today's menu, we have my delicious, sweet and spicy wings done my way. So let's get started and let's do this. Here's a sneak peek of these delicious, sweet and spicy wings. Okay, on my stove top, I have a medium-high temp and I'm adding my delicious seasoned olive oil, about maybe 2 tablespoons. We are going to saute 1.5 pounds of our wings. Next, we are going to start with 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. Next, 1.5 tablespoons Cajun seasoning and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now, next, you could either use your hands or you can use a utensil, which I choose to do. I am going to just mix this up, make sure the seasoning is very coated over the chicken wings. You want to make sure of that. And I'm going to add parsley flakes. About a tablespoon will do. And this is just another herb, a spice that we can just add over on top of our chicken. So brings in a delicious, delicious flavor, everyone. So, okay, our chicken is fully covered. Now, our oil is warm just enough to start our sauteing. So we are going to saute our chicken. We're going to add them one chicken wing at a time to make sure we place it in our skillet just right. So this is going to be a very delicious dish, our sweet and spicy chicken wings. And I am so excited because this is just one of my favorite dishes. As I am sauteing my chicken, I am also going to multitask. I have a medium-sized bowl, which I will be adding 1/3 cup of marinade honey teriyaki sauce. Also, I will be adding, that's 1/4 cup of spicy sauce. Okay, now you can go a little bit heavier on that if you like, but trying to keep that spice just a little light for me. Next, I'm going to add, that is 1/3 cup of sweet chili sauce. Everyone, you want to make sure you mix your sauces together very well and always taste. That tastes so good and it smells so good. Oh my God, this is going to be delicious. Next, I'm going to add, that's 1 teaspoon of dry parsley flakes. And you want to mix that together and set aside. As I continue to multitask, I am going to flip my chicken wings over and see how browned and saute they look. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so delicious. I can't wait for the taste test. And besides, I got a big surprise for you guys at the end of the video. So, let's look at these wings. They look pretty good. So don't forget to preheat the oven to 350. Everyone, next you just want to glaze these delicious wings and then prepare to place in the oven, which I have done in a medium glass dish. I have glazed these delicious wings, which I will let bake for 30 minutes. As you can see, I prepared a platter and here we go. Look how delicious. My sweet spicy chicken wings. Look, oh my God, they smell so delicious, you guys. This is a quick and easy recipe. Hey, you guys, you gotta try it. That's my sweet and spicy chicken wings. Oh my God. Now I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of my green chive onions over on top of it. Oh, I can't wait to taste these delicious wings. But with these delicious wings, we got to have some dipping sauce, like our delicious ranch dressing, okay? And I hope you guys will enjoy this delicious dish with me. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, welcome back to Dining with Dessica. Now, I prepared my delicious sweet and spicy wings with a serving of ranch dressing on the side. So normally I never let anyone see me eat, so today I'm gonna let you guys see me eat this delicious, delicious wings. And I'm going to also have a glass of Merlot wine with that. So let's get started. So we're gonna taste these delicious wings, okay? Which are my favorite. So, these are really good. You really gotta try them. They're delicious. With some ranch dressing. Normally, I don't like people to see me eat because the mess I make. So, tonight I decided to let you guys see me eat. Because normally, there's someone else here helping me eat this food. But tonight I'm on my own. So, I'm telling you, you gotta try these wings. They're so delicious. Finger food. Don't forget, follow me on my YouTube channel, Dining with Dessica. DiningWithDessica.com. Also, you can follow me on my other websites like Facebook, my Facebook fan page, Dining with Dessica, my Twitter page, my Instagram. Okay, you guys. Don't forget to try these wings. My sweet and spicy wings. They are so delicious. Wow. Now, for some of you, you may want to see me eat this whole plate, which I can do. But I don't want to pig out. Delicious. This is very delicious. Merlot wine. One more wing. Okay. Yeah. I love to cook and I love to eat. So
And a little bit of kick to them. They're spicy. So, I want you guys to enjoy the video. And make sure you check out the rest of my recipes on my YouTube channel, Dining with Dessica. This is good. And that's it. It's a fast and simple and easy recipe. Anybody can put it together. I love you guys. Love is love. Stay safe. And until next time, love is love.
And I hope everyone enjoyed dining with me tonight and those delicious sweet and spicy chicken wings. Yes, everyone, please don't forget to click that link down below for my Cajun and Southern recipe cookbook download for support. Family, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, smooches.